Probably turn this shit up.
Hey. Oh. It's cold in here. Ay. It's cold in here. Ay. Niggas try to backdoor me, but I left the door open. 40 got a doppelganger. This one got a leg on it. They tried to spin, I sent the blitz.
Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck y'all got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that thing fly. Energy is always fluid. It is Christmas Eve, December 24th. It don't even feel like Christmas Eve, does it? Happy holidays to those that celebrate, and Happy New Year. And what we're going to do is go ahead and get into what's happening coming into this new year. And for some reason, I don't want to call it the new year. I want to call it January. What's happening in January? Okay. Um, what's happening? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective in regards to the new year? What's going on with the collective in regarding the new year? That's what I wanted to say. January. What's happening in January and beyond? What's happening? What's happening? 2026. Y'all, the Grim Reaper is here. Something is over. It says the relationship is over, no second chances, grow and transform your life. But the Grim Reaper is here. It's talking about a lot of deaths, y'all. Unalivings. We have snake energies out here as well. So it seems like you gotta be careful of the company that you keep and the people that you trust. There's an enemy here. There's someone that is very clever. There's competition. I'm seeing an energy of having to look over your shoulder. Is what I'm seeing here. Right as I begin this reading, especially when it comes to the new year or January, supposedly 2026, my stomach started growling. I haven't eaten anything. I always fast. What's going on with this Grim Reaper energy? What's going on with the collective coming in regards to January and beyond? All right, January and beyond, snake energy, malicious, calculative energy. All right, I'm seeing an energy of ego, strong ego. I'm seeing a transformation. This is like a death and a rebirth. Again, death could be significant. I'm seeing the color black. Let me see something really quick. I'm seeing the color black is very significant, possibly a lot of funerals or something like that. Okay? Okay. Okay, Pluto refers to the Roman god of the underworld. Okay, wealthy one becomes because riches come from the earth, the destined dwarf planet. I feel like this is also like an energy of karma. I think Pluto is the karma planet, isn't it? No, or is it Saturn? Or is it like karmic? Pluto karma refers to deep transformation, life lessons involving power, control, death, and rebirth. Transformation. Ooh. So there's definitely a transformation that's going on as we speak coming into the January 2026. It looked like there's some snakes here. There's enemies here. You guys wanted to keep your head on a swivel, especially when it comes to these energies. I feel like people may change or people has been changing. All right, there's an energy of pride and ego and vanity. Okay, vanity is a strong one as well. Clarify this Clarify vanity and pride. What's happening into the new year? Just vanity and pride and ego with this grim reaper. Like people it's gonna be due to ego, pride, money. Money could be significant as well. All right. What's coming into the new year? Clarify vanity and pride, ego, and the grim reaper. What's happening into coming into the new year? That's too many. It says expectation to expect. There's something about time. Time time. Something may have been like I'm seeing surprise. Um, it's been it's been already written or something like that. Something about time. Someone's watching time, preparing time. It's like a countdown of time. Okay, what's happening with this Grim Reaper, the ego, and things like that this coming new year? I'm seeing actual money. What else is happening? I'm seeing children or child, Grim Reaper energy. Okay, I'm seeing actual money, child, and family. Okay, I see divine feminine energy. I'm seeing manipulation and concern, a karmic female. All right, I'm seeing strong feminine energies. There's a karmic feminine energy that's going to be sick. There's somebody's getting sick. I'm seeing that there's an energy of manipulation going on, especially when it comes to the divine feminine energy. Because it's a feminine energy, a karmic feminine energy trying to mask or portray themselves as something that they are not. They're actually the bringer of death. Okay, so there's a feminine energy that we need to look out for. Okay, they're masking themselves as a sweetheart. And what I'm showing here that I seen destruction. I seen destruction in my mind's eye, but I'm definitely showing that there's an energy of karma is definitely at play right now. I'm seeing a lot of karmic events happening. All right. I'm seeing things in regards to like family. Okay. Family may very much be significant. I'm seeing people being snaked out. Snakes in the grass. All right. I'm seeing 1111 out here on the child shirt and the actual money. Oh, let me put it in 1111. Could be significant is what I'm seeing here. All right. I'm also seeing, I want to say trafficking, you know, a lot of weird activity. Pay attention. There's a lot of evil. Evil's afoot. Evil's afoot. Okay. A lot of things will be coming out. A lot of things coming to light. Look, you also have the girl with the snake out here. There's a snake energy. I'm seeing a lot of narcissistic energies. A lot of things coming to the light, and I'm seeing a lot of narcissistic energies. And I'm just seeing change, things changing. Clarify this actual money. What's happening coming into the new year? What is it that we need to know? January and beyond. What's happening with the collective? What's happening? Clarify actual money. Ooh, okay. I'm seeing restriction. Clarifying actual money. I'm seeing. I want to say jail. I want to say. I want to say restriction. Okay, possibly if there's energy of feeling trapped, uh, cornered in. There's energy of feeling victimized. I'm seeing fear, terror, anxiety. All right. I'm seeing that there is some sort of crisis. Yeah. It looks like there is some sort of crisis and it's due to money. There's some sort of money here. I feel like something has been planned. I'm seeing heartbreak with the Three of Swords out here. There's an energy of betrayal. I'm seeing separation. There's an energy of division, heartache, sorrow, people being upset is what I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm seeing that there's a mother or a feminine energy. Okay. I'm seeing earth. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, earth. On earth. Okay, with this earth sign, earth energy. Oh, what? Okay. What's going on with actual money? Okay, that's too many. What's going on with actual money? Okay. Yeah, there's an energy of feeling trapped. Clarifying restrictions or feeling restricted with the Eight of Swords. It's the Hangman. There's an energy of feeling confined. With the Hangman is having to view things from a different perspective, needing to let go or having to let go. I'm seeing an energy of sacrifice and someone trying to hold on, or there's an energy of holding on to people, wanting to keep possession, wanting to keep control. Okay, what's going on? Actual money. Yeah, I'm seeing stand your ground. There's an energy of us having to stand our ground and stand up for what we believe in and fight for ourselves, protect ourselves, defend ourselves. Okay, this is talking about having to walk away from the old way of thinking, old way of seeing things, having to reaching some sort of limit. Okay, The number 8 could be significant. Clarify child. I'm seeing a lot of more than usual, I'm seeing a lot of cars riding up and down the street. Okay, number 18 could be significant as well. Clarify this child energy. What is it that what's coming in? What's happening? All right. All right, so this is talking about authority. Okay, so I think this is, we are possibly being seen as the children, us getting news from the government, the emperor, some sort of authority figure. Clarify this child. What is going on? What's going on? What's happening this new year? All right. With this hermit is going, I'm seeing you guys, I'm like possibly it like some sort of light being shed on something. Because I'm seeing some sort of enlightenment. Something that is been hidden is being going to be revealed. I'm seeing people searching for deeper truths. I'm seeing there's an energy of enlightenment with this hermit energy. Ah, this might be an energy of place. I'm seeing solitude. Solitude. By yourself or something. I feel like there's an energy of going against universal flow. I'm seeing conflict, you guys. I'm seeing fighting, argument, disagreements, conflict, aggression, clashing, chaos. Clarify the child, the children. What else we need to know? What's happening in January and beyond? What is it that we need to know? We have the sun out here. Again, this is like light being shed. This is like the light barrier, y'all. Y'all, this is like darkness or evil. I don't know why I thought about Satan when I seen the sun. I don't know why. The light is what I'm seeing here. Mm. Oh, I done threw that. Wait a minute, y'all. I done threw that, y'all. Hold up now. Whew. Yeah, I'm seeing energy of you guys. Okay, I'm seeing energy of maturing. This is the energy of this is again, I'm gonna tell you, this is like an energy of you growing. People focusing on the future, letting go of the past. But I'm also seeing an energy of endings. It's gonna be, I'm seeing bloodshed, y'all. Clarify family. What's happening? Clarify family. What's happening in January and beyond? What's happening January and beyond? And this is white van that just keep riding, or it might be a different white van, but nonetheless, I'm noticing white vans. Y'all keep an eye out. It's a lot of white vans out here. Clarifying family. I'm definitely seeing the Wheel of Fortune here, you guys. Number 10. I'm seeing a closure or closing, something closing. I'm seeing karma or cosmic events. Clarifying family. I'm seeing an energy of exhaustion. I'm seeing an energy of a lack of opportunity, and we have the high priestess. Listening or following or trusting your intuition. You guys, regarding family and protecting your family, things are changing, y'all. And we are now being led to having to trust your intuition, trust yourself. I'm seeing an energy of spirit guys here, where you guys have discovered or will be discovering the real truth. And it will require emotional stability, you guys. I want to say to survive. I'm gonna be honest. I'm seeing the Ace of Swords out here, which is clarifying exactly what I'm saying here. What else is happening in January? They closed it out. This is clarity. You know, the Ace of Swords talking about the truth, a vision, providing mental clarity. And we have the Mother at the bottom of the deck. Mm, you'll have a good one. That's crazy that you had that. Look. Yep, so keep your eyes peeled. Again, there is a karmic feminine energy, you guys. I don't know who this feminine energy is. I'm seeing divine feminine energy. There's a divine feminine energy or divine feminine energies. There's an energy, there has been an energy of manipulation. I'm seeing that there's an energy of concern here. Number 33, Mother, Father, Son, mind, body, spirit. There's an energy of Holy Trinity in an alignment. And I'm seeing there's a karmic feminine where there's health concern. It seems like this person has been wearing some sort of mask. Somebody's getting sick. There's energy of sickness, people being sick. The people mask coming off their face. You notice a lot of people start looking old or something like that. Something about the eyes is very significant. I'm seeing there's an energy of a mask being removed. I'm seeing an energy of karmic, cosmic, or karmic events. I'm seeing a lot of water. I'm seeing a lot of water. I feel like this might be like, again, cosmic events, like the planet. All right? It's like the planet has taken over. Yeah, it's like an older woman. See, it's coming out as an older woman, a mature woman. It seems like there's been too much abuse, there's too much violence, there's been a lot going on here. Things is definitely going to have to get worse before it get better. Things are going to get a lot worse before it get better. That's what I'm saying. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.